Welcome to my channel. My name is, no, you don't need to know my name, but today is the last day of 2019, and I will be giving you guys 5 ways of making the most out of your year 2020, 5 ways of making your year productive, and 5 ways of making your year successful. It's very effective if you follow it, and it should be very helpful. I started doing it the past couple years, and I've seen a major change. So let's get into it.
Wow. Ouch. There's still somebody in there.
I think it just happened.
Yeah.
So the first step is having a flashback of the previous year. Take a look at all the positives and negatives. Improve on the positives and drop the negatives. Improve on all the good things that happened to you. And for the bad things, try to identify the problem and find possible solutions to those problems so you can improve on them. Also, just get rid of all bad habits and focus on being good, on the positives. That's it. And I hope Chipotle is open today, man, because I'm seeing all the stores closed. I'm hungry. Get a little bit of tomatoes, a little bit hot. Corn, sour cream. Yeah, I got my food now, so I'm happy. So the second step is setting more goals for ourselves. We have to have control over our life. We can't just be like, I'm gonna live my life day by day, or tomorrow will provide for itself, or try to have someone to come save your day for you. That's not what you're supposed to live like. You're supposed to pave your own way. Supposed to create goals and try to accomplish those goals. Try to improve yourself every single day. And someone once told me that you never know what's gonna happen tomorrow. Exactly, that's true. That's why you have to start planning your own day, so you can be ready for any situation that tomorrow will brings for you. So the third step is putting a smile on someone else's face, which means provide for the less fortunate, and the less fortunate is someone struggling that cannot provide for themselves their basic needs of life. So you can help them out with your clothes, or a meal, or shelter if you can afford that. You don't even have to be material stuff all the time. You can put a smile on someone's face. That would mean a lot, because there's a lot of people that actually need stuff like that. A lot of people going through health issues, mental health, depression. You can really help them out by spending time with them, and just encouraging them, advising them, and being there for them. Just have them know that there's always someone there for them. That can really help someone, to be honest. Don't ever feel like you can't do anything just because you cannot provide any materialistic stuff. You can always give someone your time, to be honest, and just make their day. And that's the best feeling ever, man. Putting a smile on someone that really needs it. That's the best feeling ever. You never know how good that thing feels like until you try it. You just have to try it and see. If you have stuff that you don't need, give it to someone that needs it. Speaking of setting goals, as I'm talking to you guys right now, I'm on my way to the aquatic center to sign off for my swimming classes. And Trust me, I'm a grown-ass man that cannot swim. Whenever I be at the pool, I be by the kids and they're like, man, what's this grown-ass man doing here? As you can see, I'm right here and we're getting ready to learn how to swim. It's been way too long. I've been waiting way too long for this moment, so I'm finally doing it. That's one of my goals for this year actually, and I'm ready to knock it off at the very beginning of the year, so let's get it done. How long is the class again?
It's 8 classes. It goes from the 7th until the 30th of January.
Do you think that's enough for someone to learn how to swim? Is it?
Do you not know how to like swim at all?
No. So there you have it. Your boy just signed up for a swimming class. Here we go. Let's get ready for summertime. We're gonna get lit. It's crazy, man, because I'm always like in a lit body of water throughout my whole life, and I don't even know how to swim. That's crazy. That's why I was like, man, I gotta learn this thing, because I'm always gonna be in water, and it's just dangerous, man. Very, very dangerous what I was doing, and I cannot keep doing that for too long, to be honest. One day something gonna get wrong, and you never know, man. So at least it's good for me to learn. Also, I'm just way too old for me not to know how to swim, man, to be honest. Come on, man, look at me. All my beard's like right now. I got all these little kids laughing at me at the pool, but that's not gonna happen anymore, so we're changing that.
Those fancy microphones.
Yeah.
Hooked up to a GoPro?
Yeah, it's for wind.
Cool, cool.
Yeah.
Which one is it? The Hero 8? Is that the
Yeah,
new
this is
one?
the 8 that just came out.
Oh, nice. Man, I got the Hero 2. I got the
You got
old
the
school
2.
one.
Yeah, I mean, you still get the job done, to be honest.
Yeah. That's a cool little mic you got for it.
Yeah, man, thanks, man. Yeah, at least somebody like this mic. The mic's funny looking mic. It always catches your attention, man, with this little phone on it. So the fourth step is reading more books and improving your skills. So reading more books gives you more knowledge, and it opens your mind a lot. It makes your reason a lot better than people that don't read, and it just makes you more wise in general. So just try to read a lot of books. It opens up your mind to a lot of stuff, and you learn so many stuff from reading books, to be honest. And also about improving your skills. You have to develop more skills, or you have to improve your skills, because a lot of people just settle for the minimum. A lot of people settle for the mediocre, and there's way too many people doing that already. So because of that, the competition is already tight. There's too many people competing for the same stuff and that have the same qualifications. So you have to separate yourself. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell, I'm very, very shivering, because this is what I have. I didn't expect the weather to drop this quick at this time. But back to the topic. So a lot of people, there's way too many competition for the amount of people going for the same stuff. So you have to try to develop and gain some extra skills that will separate you from the rest. So when you pull up to an interview, they will look at your resume and they will be like, man, this dude even have more extra, which means he really wants a job. He came more prepared, and you will bring more value to the job. That's how all these job people see applicants, to be honest. Whoever they think is gonna bring more value to the company, that's who's gonna get the job. So try to read more books and improve on your skills, or learn more skills. If you have to take classes to accomplish that, just do it. Or if it's gonna take even more time to learn it, just do it. Trust me, man, it's worth it. You will gain a lot from it, to be honest. Ooh, that's a beautiful view right here. See that? So the last step is actually rewarding and critiquing yourself. So after you set your goals, and if you end up there accomplishing your goals, just critique yourself. It's fair to critique yourself. Try to see where you fell short and how you can improve that. And also reward yourself if you complete your goals. Take yourself on a vacation. Spend time with friends and family and fun times. Enjoy time with them. And just reward yourself for accomplishing your goal. It helps you freshen your mind up, and makes you stay more focused. And it also keeps you highly motivated, because you want to have more times like that. After you accomplish your goals, you want to have fun times, great times, rewards. Everyone want to have rewards after they accomplish something. So just do it, and it is very, very effective. So this way I would say goodbye to this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. So catch you guys in the next one. The traffic is dumb stupid. Look at that. People all over.